Good afternoon. Chris Daly, Nevada State Education Association, the voice of Nevada educators for over 100 years. First, let me thank Senator Spearman for bringing this bill. I consider Senator Spearman to be the social conscience of the Nevada State Senate. NSEA supports SB267 to identify social and environmental factors that impact educational experience of students at every school site, and to take these factors into consideration when making decisions on funding, providing student supports, staff evaluations and salaries, and student discipline. Over the last several legislative sessions, Nevada has taken significant steps to deliver more equity in public education by providing additional resources and services to students and communities with greater need. Zoom and Victory Schools and the new Nevada Plan are models to address education needs of English learners, students in poverty, and students with individualized education plans. In all of our schools, there has been a focus on social and emotional learning to continue to build safe and respectful learning environments. However, poverty is still prevalent across Nevada, as most Nevada students qualify for free and reduced lunch. Racism, sexism, and homophobia in our communities intersect with crime, violence, and addiction, intersect with lack of economic opportunity, homelessness, poor health, and trauma. Schools and communities that are beset with these social and environmental factors often struggle despite the best efforts of very capable administrators, teachers, and education support professionals, and students and their families. SB 267 is an important step to continue our path at identifying and addressing these issues. Thank you.